The Vacmaster 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum is designed with performance and convenience in mind. Not only does it feature a 4-peak HP motor, but its unique flat power head design will allow you to conveniently store tools so they are easily accessible when needed. The onboard hose, power cord, and accessory storage allow you to keep all your attachments organized and in one place. The 360-degree swivel casters and a balanced top handle make for convenient transportation from one place to the next. This wet dry vacuum comes with a selection of accessories so you have the tools to get the job done no matter what. Turning this vacuum into a blower to remove debris from your yard or workspace could not be easier. All it takes is a simple conversion. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 4-peak HP. High-performance motor with powerful suction for household cleanup. This vacuum easily converts to a blower. Number 2. Durable. Stainless steel tank allows for extra strength. Number 3. 5-gallon tank capacity. 360-degree swivel casters and 10 feet cleaning reach make this wet dry vacuum cleaner user-friendly. Number 4. Easy to store. Complete vacuum organization with the onboard hose, cord, and accessory storage, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can you use this vacuum for pellet stove ash cleaning? Answer: no. We recommend you use an ash vacuum. Question number 2. This is a wet, dry vac, but I am not seeing a drain port. Does it have one? Answer: no. Vacmaster Red Edition 1101 stainless steel wet dry V-shop vacuum does not have a drain port. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.